there is letter which is resting against the vertical wall. So most important part for the related rate problem is drawing the figure clearly. Okay, so let me try. Okay, so here we go. The vertical wall, ground, and definitely we assume it is like vertical. Okay, and I have letter here. Realistic, right? And the length of letter is given by 10 feet. But keep that in mind. The letter, length of letter is the fixed constant, which means it's not a variable, okay? So now, the second part. They said the bottom of the letter slide away, so which means this is the quantity which is changing. So let me give you variable, because this is different, okay? It's not a constant, but it's changing, right? And also the speed of this one is what? Given by 2 feet per second. So they are talking about dx dt is 2 feet per second, okay? But keep that in mind. Slide away, which means your quantity of x is increasing. That's why the rate of change is positive. But in case if it is decreasing, your rate of change must be negative. This is very important to understand, okay? So what about the next part? Oh, they would talk about the angle between the wall and top of letter. So they are talking about this guy, okay? So they gave you the question, okay? The question is finding d theta dt when slide away length is angle theta is pi over 4. This is my question. Now next part is we have to figure out the relation between theta and x. What kind of function can I use? Well, look at that. Can you find right triangle? Whenever you have right triangle, the most popular thing is SOHCAHTOA, right? So sine function, cosine function, or tangent function. For this one, just look at the given information. Oh, they are talking about this side, which is opposite side of angle, and hypotenuse, which is length of letter is given. So that is exactly relation between opposite and hypotenuse, which is consistent with sine function. So your target function is sine function, okay? Sine theta is equal to opposite x over 10. Keep that in mind. We are not going to plug in your length of opposite, but it must be unknown variable, okay? So it is exactly relation between x and theta. Then next step is obviously taking the derivative with respect to t, okay? Implicitly, okay? So let me use this notation. d dt means it is with respect to t, okay? The left-hand side, sine theta prime is cosine theta, but don't forget you have to multiply d theta dt implicitly, okay? And x over 10 prime is 1 over 10, and don't forget you have to multiply dx dt. Now we are ready. Look at that. Theta is given, which is pi over 4. We're going to plug in here, cosine theta. And d theta dt is my problem. And dx dt is given as well. Plug in everything. Halas. Halas means we are done, okay? So here we go. Let me move here. Cosine pi over 4 times d theta dt is equal to 1 over 10 times the rate of change of the x is 2, positive, right? Well, before finish this one, think about it. Slide away, which means angle theta is increasing, which means your answer d theta dt must be positive value. Does that make sense? Okay, so cosine pi over 4 is square root of 2 of 2 d theta dt is equal to 1 over 5. Multiply 2 over square root of 2, which is reciprocal of this one, then therefore d theta dt is equal to 1 over 5 times 2 over square root of 2, which is 2 over 5 square root of 2. The unit is radian over the second.